Have you heard of difference of two squares before? Difference, that's the minus here, of two squares. But we don't have a square here. Neither is 9 a square. Now don't be deceived. These two can only be applied to y. If I had the bracket wrapping 9 and y, then of course this square here will be applied to 9 and y, but not as it is like this. We can bring in square from 9 and from 16. 9 can be expressed as a power of 3. 9 is equal to what? 3 raised to power 2, because 3 raised to power 2 is 9. So I'm going to write 9 as 3 raised to power 2 because I want to use difference of two squares. Then y squared minus, what about 16? 16 is what? 4 raised to the power of 2, because 4 times 4 is 16. I'm going to wrap 3 and y like this. I'll put it in a bracket. You know, I told you bracket tells you to apply the power to everything you have in the bracket. So if I put 2 here, then this 2 should be applied to 3 and y. Why? The bracket. Then minus what? 4 squared is equal to 0. Difference of two squares. How do you do that? If you have a squared minus b squared and you want to apply difference of two squares here, difference of two squares, you add both of them without their powers, and then you also subtract them. So the product of these two give it how you use difference of two squares. So here now I'm going to do what? 3y plus 4 in bracket. I'm doing this now. There was this minus. So 3y minus 4 all is equal to 0. The product of these two is equal to 0. It means that 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, or 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Pardon me, let me take this off. So move 4 to the other side. You have 3y is equal to what? Negative 4, or move this over. You have 3y is equal to what? 4. Notice from plus 4 to negative 4, and from negative 4 to plus 4. When you cross it over the equality sign, you must change the sign. What do I do next? You tell me. I'll divide both sides by 3 because I want to get the value of y. So y is equal to negative 4 over 3. What about this? Or I'll divide both sides by 3 again here. And y is equal to what? 4 over 3. If you plug in the value of y, the values of y into this equation, you should get 0. If not tried, you can do it and tell me what your result is in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.